So I wanted to catch this before it's all gone. This is the camellia tree where the squirrels like to sit and eat the bulbs, or not the bulbs, like the buds that bloom into flowers. It's coming out. Dad's taking out the deck. He wanted to replace the deck, like replace the wood in the deck and stuff. And the board of directors did not approve. No, so now their food source is going away. Yeah. Because the wood of the deck is rotting. And since we can't replace it, we're taking the tree out, so the wood can be taken out too. So I think it's gonna come all the way out, but this is what's left. Honeys, they're in a state of shock. Look at it. Ah! So they used to sit on here. This is where Timber is still here. Timber was jumping here when she said go get the Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. It was on this branch. Yeah. And they like to sit there and look in at the stationary bicycles, like right in there. So they like to sit and watch me, and they won't be able to do that anymore. A tree felled because the covenant, the board of directors were like, no more trees. What about the home? What about the food? And the hummingbirds like to drink the nectar from the flowers. And the birds would like to sit and rest, like the towhees and the sparrows and the chickadees and the hummingbirds. Good morning, critters of the Leonhardi backyard. I love you. Yes, I do love you. So there it is. So, camellia tree, is called a camellia tree, double L. I get confused on the spelling sometimes. Removal, a work in progress, but I thought I should make a video just documenting that. It's been there, has it for over a decade, possibly over 2 decades? It's been there a while.